Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to tonight's daily cipher. That's the Morse code for Hamster kombat. So our Morse code for tonight is FIAT, which is FIAT. So let's begin to get it one after the other. So for F is short. Sorry, I have to activate the daily cipher. So F is short, long, short. That's for F. Then I is short, followed by A. A is short, long. Then lastly T is long, just a single long. So that forms our daily cipher, that is the Morse code for tonight. So join me tomorrow to get tomorrow's daily cipher, and do have a wonderful night rest. All right, take care, bye.